In this video, we will show you how to enable the zip extension in XAMPP. Let's get started. First, open the XAMPP folder. Then, open the PHP folder. Scroll down. Right-click the php.ini file and select Edit in Notepad. At this step, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Then type extension =zip. And press Enter. Next, remove the semicolon at the beginning. So, it becomes extension =zip. Finally, press Ctrl+S to save the changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section.